Hey everyone, Miss Janine here. It is Sunday, and I just wanted to do a quick reminder and go over what to do. This is that crunch week where we've got week 7, and then on Friday, week 7.5 opens. Everything needs to be in by Monday. Got it? Monday. You're going to need to burn some midnight oil. I have got to have grades in. I actually don't have it in my day planner. So, term ends on Monday. Get it in, because I will probably be submitting grades on Wednesday. Again, let's look at what's due. Go to the Weeks tab. Remember, you can always go to the Weeks tab. Got your portfolio project final submission. If I haven't gotten it yet, it'll probably be tomorrow before I can get it to you. Some feedback on your old one, but you know what I gave you on your original draft. As long as you did it, you're probably fine. You're going to have a portfolio project narrative. Make sure it says here portfolio directions and rubric. Make sure you look at that on how to do this reflective narrative. And then you have a regular reflection. And again, I cannot stress enough, follow the grading rubric for your reflections. I've been very lenient this term because not many have been hitting the wickets. And shame on me for not being stricter. But make sure you're doing this. This is 300 level. Make sure you're really being insightful. And then let's go back and look at what's going to be due on 7.5. But I do love the engagement. You guys have been fabulous. The ones posting earlier, Monday, Tuesday. We've had great conversations. And I know I would have loved having you in a seated class because we would have just really, the one thing I love about a seated class is I don't have to teach, so to speak. It's like throw out a concept, a current event, kind of like we do here, and just let the class, if you've got a really good class engaging, that's how the learning occurs. It's not me reading the book. So week 7.5, you've got a reflection. Please make sure you do this because this is an easy, I want to say an easy 100. Answer, you got 3 questions here, right? How you feel the class helped you. What did you find most interesting and why? So, okay, that could be 3 right there. And then what was the most challenging? Oh, we got to keep going here. And then how would you approach differently and what do you have? So you have like 6 things you need to answer in that. But if you answer all 6, I'm giving you 100. There's not a rubric. And I think it's great if you have time to comment on each other. But make sure you're doing this. A lot of times people don't do it and I'm like, you just missed 100. Activities, you've got the final exam. And then you have another portfolio project reflection. Again, don't confuse this with the other one. Again, look at the grading rubrics. Final exam is due by Monday, midnight. Follow the same guidance that I gave you for doing the midterm. And again, it's worth 15% of your overall grade. It's going to be 20 multiple choice, 100. That one makes sense. And 10 essay. So again, kind of a crunch week. We're here. It's here. I told you it was coming. Week 7 and 7.5 opens on Friday and ends on Monday. If you've got late work, I need it. I'm sorry. It's Sunday. You got next weekend, and I know it's the holiday time. The kids are probably in programs. You got office parties and all the fun stuff. Don't lose focus on your goals. You're here doing this because you want to be. Most of you want to better your life for your family. So, don't lose focus of that during the holiday time. If you need me, again, fastest way is text message, 910-539-2810. I almost forgot my phone number. All right, it's been great. I'm loving the engagements, the early conversations in the week, some of those threads. If you've been late jumping onto posts and you're jumping in at the end of the week, I really encourage you to go down to the very first 1, 2, 3, 4. Those gals and guys that have been posting, we've had some great interactions, great feedback, and I hope nobody ever thinks I'm picking on them when I'm asking my questions. I'm trying to get you to make sure you're digging in the textbook, because those things are on the test. So have a great Sunday. Go Redskins, and I will see you over in the course room. Bye-bye.